Now let's look at basic samba figures you just saw in routine for beginners samba. And we start with samba whisks to left and right, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. Let's look from another angle with the teaching count. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. Let's look at the man's steps. Man starts with left foot, he goes to side, cross behind and replace. To side, cross behind, replace. Now man will also turn lady with left hand and to side, cross behind, replace, and to side, cross behind, replace. Let's look again. Man starts with left foot, to side, cross behind, replace, to side, cross behind, replace. Now he will turn lady with hand, to side, cross behind, replace, to side, cross behind, replace. In samba whisk we also use samba bounce action, which means we bend and straighten the knees. Now samba bounce is typical for most samba figures. Let's look with teaching count. 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. From opposite direction. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, to side, cross behind, replace, with left foot, to side, cross behind, replace. Now lady will turn, she goes forward and turns, small step to side and turns again in cross position. Now lady will go to side, cross behind and replace. Let's look from opposite direction. Lady starts with right foot, to side, cross, replace, to side, cross, replace. Now she will turn to right, underarm, forward, now to side, small step, and she turns and crosses legs. Now she continues with whisk to side, side, cross back and replace. And now with teaching count. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. From opposite direction. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. Now reverse basic movement with the count. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4. From opposite direction. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Man steps, man starts with left foot, he goes forward, close with part weight and replace weight, and back, close with part weight and replace weight. Let's look again. Man starts with left foot, forward, close with part weight, replace full weight, back, close with part weight and replace full weight. Now with teaching count. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Let's look again. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Let's look at man's footwork. Ball flat, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat. Let's look again from opposite direction. Ball flat, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat. And now lady steps. Lady starts with right foot. She goes back, close with part weight and replace full weight. Forward, close with part weight and replace with full weight. Let's look again. Lady starts with right foot, back, close with part weight, replace weight. Forward, close with part weight and replace full weight. With teaching count and 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Let's look again. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4. And now lady's footwork. Lady starts with right foot, ball flat, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat. Let's look again. Lady's footwork, ball flat, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat. And now reverse turn, 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Let's look again with teaching count and 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Man steps, man starts reverse turn with left foot, he goes forward to side, cross in front, then back to side and close. Let's look again. Man starts with left foot and forward to side, cross in front, back to side and close. With teaching count and 1 a 2, 3 a 4. From opposite direction and 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, she goes back to side, close, then forward to side and cross in front. From opposite direction, lady starts with right foot, back to side, close, forward to side and cross in front. With teaching count and 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Let's look again. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Whole routine with counting music. 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1. Let's look again. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1. We hope you enjoyed this basic samba video and see you in the next dance videos.